Yeah, me them for no say, I feel this representing the fullest, and I represent for Peter Gay life, you know, life for the greatest. To all life nice, I wish I had a spare one, yeah. Wish I had a spare one, I wish. Peter Gay, wish I live to see a millionaires. Yeah, me then one of you represent, you know. Nice up.
So we're going to let me remember the name. Jet Go-kart, I don't remember. But I'm here with Peter Gay.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna call everybody remember right there. And I'm gonna link up with my co-workers as well. And their friend or whatever. It's a big bang group. So I don't even know where it is. I'm just walking for God's sake. Check out my outfits. It's all downtown. $2,000 for the jeans, $300 for the top, or $300 or $500.
And the kind of rest. So all of them.
If you not like that, hold them down, hold them down, hold them down. Hold them down, fully back, so hold them down. Hold them down, hold them down, hold them down, hold them down.
Because I don't know to drive.
Yeah, we don't tell her.
Yeah, he's a nervous.
Oh God. Wait, I'm sick of phone.
Yeah, is he again on your phone? I'm in my pocket.
Okay, I see camera.
I'm going to pull out my phone out of my ear.
I hope. I get nervous. Why is it about the flying feet go so for slow down?
And so now come back inside the area, so step on the side.
I'll pull out my phone.
Miko, you ready?
Yellow flag, last. Oh, you ready this one? There you go, you got this one?
Alright, everybody just go for YouTube. smooth. A wee smooth. And why somebody crash?
You come second to last. No. Me, I get my learner. Me, I get my learner because me can drive. Exactly. Be up yourself. Me did nervous. Well, it was good. Me I speed it. I'm up on the full stretch, you know. It's like me I say, whoa, father, see me, you know. Nika, you come back?
The first part.
Me the pass here, yeah, when the crash.
Come the crash, the first time.
I still catch up.
I'm still catching up everybody.
Not even me crash, not even me crash. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Go in the car and have a crash.
But you laugh for? When I crash?
We see the first time, feel the first time, that's how passes.
She crashed on the tire with her.
You know when you pass it?
I'm crashing on the tire.
Go around, come on.
Oh, yes, stop.
It's like the summer can't move. It's like I don't know if I'm slow down because I go too fast. But it's like, couldn't move.
Run up now.
For the first.
I never see clear pass. Me I say, what you?
Clear no crash.
I lap you, I took a lap you. Yo, I hate lap you doing.
Clear, come left now.
I 10 lap doing. I hate doing. I 2 times lap you.
2 times lap me?
Yeah, 2 times pass you.
Me I say, why you can't go so far? I only on the full stretch, you know. Me I say,
yes,
no. Me I say, I want and me I do it, and I say, yeah.
Yo, that's how you still fast, watch me. Maybe it's not yesterday.
You're not doing it.
Watch ya.
You can't reverse, Banda.
You can't reverse. I go back.
And then it's one thing I never lie about it. It's nice, no, but it's like the somewhere you press for gas. It's just hard. Me I forgot so. Me have to say no, man.
You say let them flash. Them slow it down.
Why must slow me down for?
Because everybody's slowing in the area. Because you know, can't crash or sitting or so. So when they start flash, everybody can't go slow.
I want to me I say, when me I go so fast and it slow, so me I say, what go on?
Yeah, but me drive like a broker. Me slow in the car. No.
Actually, it wasn't worth it.
Yeah, it was fun.
I mean, at least bumps.
I mean, you have at least back up so.
Like, it show once the tail link up that thing. I mean, at least.
So clear, when again? When again?
Me I just like a road with the
Don't
band.
have money again.
No. Next time you're going to go in there.
After the 2 weeks, I'm sure upon whatever she
Driving nice, bro.
No, sir.
Driving
That
nice,
was
bro.
good. And clear, I'll end up pull up right here for put on the helmet and them somebody.
Driving nice, man.
It is nice. And I'm up on the full stretch now. That part that did sweet me. They were fast.
That's why I teach Cleo for drive stick.
They not teach me, just teach clear. Me and nobody.
So you not get to listen audio?
Look how long
Where
that.
you missed it. Don't worry, we'll be coming back.
So what was the taxi?
So I'm going to do it already.
We'll be coming back tomorrow, one day.
Go meet out.
Okay. So you guys, I see you guys in the next few minutes, few seconds, vlogging time, alright? Guys, we're finally home. I swear to God, I'm so tired. It's not even fun right now.
Yeah, but it was amazing. It was lit. I'm gonna hold on and ask, like, where is this located? It is located at Portmore Bayside. If you want to reach there, if you're off a tree, you take a 17 or an 18 from downtown. You take a 17 and an 18. The off a tree just knows to the 8 at Panics. So they are Portmore, just take a yellow minibus and reach.
What number minibus?
And a lot of people are going to ask about the cost as well. The cost is $1,000, but when tax drop on, it's $1,700 and
How much?
sorry, 1,165.
75 or 65.
Listen, I'm telling people the accurate thing.
Listen, me, I tell them too.
It's $1,165 for 12 laps. And the laps them go very fast.
Yes, it's nice enough. But one thing I can advise you guys though, if you're wearing slippers, not to worry, they have Crocs for you, and that's for only $300.
But guess what? You don't want to put your foot in everything where everybody put your foot in. So wear the sneakers. If you don't have your sneakers, you cannot go on the track unless you rent a shoe
Crocs
from them. Yeah.
Everybody must know what is a Crocs.
You look at only.
I don't like them enough.
Yeah.
Guys, do you guys like Crocs? Let me know in the comment box. But
Yeah, but it was awesome. It was lit. The only thing is that the steering is extremely stiff. So bear in mind that when you go on the steering and when you're done, you're on them numb now, no use at all. But it was lit.
But
and
what
do
I-
not put your hair in a bun like this.
make it be low like this.
Do not do this because I had to pull it out because of the helmet. So make your hair be flat. Don't put none up in your hair and go with no excitement.
And things say cute. But what
You
I,
have to pull it out, guys.
but what I can say to you guys though, I came first. So
She did not come first. She actually came last. I came 8th there.
Trio.
And
You
every
could
time I come
give me a
eighth-
little fame.
Reason I'm coming 8th because I'm my first time.
It
But
was my first time also.
Yeah, but you come last. But you know, I did good of my first time. Some little pro they did them not even Jamaica, them look Mexican or whatever with one bag tattoo. So obviously they might come first.
But what I would say,
I came 7th.
Nicole, come here. What you have to tell them about tonight?
Be she. Love she 2 times, love she 1 time.
I lie.
Yeah.
Me lapping
Bad
out
driver.
in time and him end up losing.
Hold on.
Right.
Which way?
I'm here on the phone.
When I did it.
No, I'm telling you right there. I'm putting it so.
Woo. But if you don't have your idea, this is a passport.
When I put your ID in the camera,
Oh,
I
yeah.
get the information.
Me a driver.
Me soon get my license.
No feel like she can't drive. No, she do everything see them. Don't get the wrong board.
Thank you.
Now, Bono Pro.
Clear lap her 1 time, lap her 2 times.
Whatever. I was getting used to it. If I stayed
guys-
longer,
You'll be able to identify me because I'm in a yellow top. It's gonna be hard to identify her because majority of people them wear black. So you're not even gonna really know when
I'm
people
gonna see if I can when I'm driving, if I can maybe put an icon or something.
can try and look for this.
May I try my best for edit video so you can kind of identify me. But yeah, so basically this is where we're ending today's vlog.
And unfortunately, Dwayne, that is a Johnny friend, he didn't get to stay because of the time. Then I'm gonna tell you, when you go there and purchasing a ticket, don't expect when I get through same time. Because I was there from 9 o'clock. I'm actually get through about a couple minutes to 12.
Yeah.
About 25 minutes to 12. And I was there from 9 o'clock. So don't feel sad when you purchase a ticket.
Yeah.
You get through same time.
Tell them.
Because I often up on the truck or close to that. And you have and whole heap of people are there. So just buy a ticket and then go on about your business or buy some food and keep back and dance to the music then that's Starbucks. Don't feel like I get through same time. I'm gonna make you know. Alright?
So
yeah. Guys, I'm showing pump pants. Pump my nice skin pants super dirty. Watch it. Go-karting black, you know. See that? So please wear black. But anyways guys, I'm going home.
So this is where we're ending today's vlog. You have your phone today in the post notification with you? No, we don't have our phone at this moment. So what I would say, big up you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and comment when done. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Peace.